It's Rex with Paperwise. In this video, we will learn how to improve our document search techniques. I will show you how to search on multiple list field values, as well as how to use date ranges when searching. Using these techniques will help you focus your searches to find the documents you need. They're also invaluable when you need to find a document that has been misfiled. Let's get started. I've signed into Symphony and I have a search tab open. Since I'm going to be showing you some searching with a lot of results, I'm going to go ahead and maximize my search list. Now, if you remember in Paperwise Query, our older product, whenever you had to do a complex search, like maybe you wanted to filter a set of results down by multiple document types, but not all document types, or maybe you wanted to find the last 30 days worth of documents instead of all documents, well, you had to use the Advanced Search Builder. And anybody that's used it can tell you that's a little complex. Thankfully, in Symphony, we've resolved that issue. In Symphony, we can select multiple list items to do a search on. We can also use some advanced search date ranges that are built in, including a between to do a custom date range. These are really useful. Now let's go through an example and I will show you. Let's look for documents from a vendor name that begins with the word Acme. Now if I look at these, I'm going to get back 133 results. Now that's not a whole lot. Remember, this is just an example. Your results are going to vary. Now, let's say I want to narrow down these results by just specific document types. I can do that by only choosing the document types I want to see. In this case, I'm going to choose checks and invoices. Again, I'm going to search for Acme. This time, my results come back 120. So we filter out a few, right? And if we check our doc type list, you can see we have checks and invoices. And that's it. That's great. We filtered it down some. Let's filter it down a little bit more. I'm going to reset the search. I'm still going to choose checks and invoices. And we're going to continue our example with Acme. This time, I want to look for an invoice date range. Let's just use the built-in last 30 days. Oh, no, you know what? Let's make it a little bit better of an example. Let's choose between. That way we get to choose two dates. Now, I'm going to use a hotkey to fill these dates in. I'm going to use M for the beginning of the month and H for the end of the month. All right, so let's review. Doc type check or doc type invoice. Vendor name begins with Acme, and the invoice date needs to be somewhere within the month of February. Let's search. This time, my result set is 19 documents. 19 documents is a lot easier to work with than 120. In this video, we learned how to find documents by including multiple list field values and date searches into our document searches. These options helped us focus on the documents that we wanted. As always, if you have questions or need assistance with Symphony, please contact your Paperwise account manager or Paperwise support via paperwise.com. Thank you.